Oh my god. Oh my god. Hello guys, welcome back to a new video and welcome to my channel. I am so excited for today's video because this is another mystery box and आपने title पढ़ लिया है. This is literally the most special mystery box. I can already feel it because it's a mystery box from KOLKATA, you guys. A lot of people don't know this that I am Bengali when my name is literally Anindita Chakravarty. It cannot get more bong than this. मैं पूरे साल इसलिए वेट कर रही थी क्योंकि मैं फेस्टिव पूजो सीजन पे ही ये वीडियो करना चाहती थी. For obvious reasons, I cannot wait to show you guys everything that is in here. I know it's going to be super freaking awesome and I hope you guys are excited as well. By the way, I'm wearing my Taylor Swift t-shirt. I picked like the perfect outfit for this, a very special outfit for a special video. I want to talk about this very special follower and subscriber. Her name is Anindita. First of all, I love your name, girl. Like seriously, such a unique name and she's the sweetest. She's also content creator. I think she mostly posts on Instagram, so I will link her page. She does amazing reviews and I've seen some of her reels. She's doing so amazing. Anindita, I'm really proud of you. She has told me she has numbered everything and मैं number wise उसको open करूँ, and then there is one special gift that I can open in the beginning or towards the end, so we are going to do that towards the end of course. And yeah, she also sent me a very sweet special message.
Namaskar, I'm Anindita and I'm from Kolkata doing the mystery box challenge with Anindita Di. I'm super excited to be a part of this Kolkata mystery box challenge. I'm really grateful that Anindita Di chose me as a subscriber from Kolkata who is doing this mystery box challenge, and when I got to know about it, I immediately jotted down everything that I wanted to gift her in her mystery box from Kolkata. And I've been following her since like 5 years now and I love her video, her content. It's so relatable, and especially, you know, when I was in college I started watching her videos. The affordable lipstick, like I think top 10 lipsticks, those were my favorite, my go-to videos. I used to keep going back to those videos, and whenever I used to shop for nude lipsticks, I would take all her recommendations. In fact, you know, the light where I'm shooting this video, this is her recommendation. And thank you so much for making such beautiful content. You are an amazing person and I absolutely love you. I support you. I hope you enjoy all the items in the mystery box. We love you.
Thank you so much Anindita, you are literally the sweetest and I wish you nothing but the best. And अब मुझसे और wait नहीं हो रहा, so let's open this up. मैं पहले बता रही हूँ, my bed makes a lot of noise but I wanted to film in this new area and see how it looks. But yeah, don't mind the bed noises. I know it's like very annoying. Okay, I see a lot of gifts. It's literally filled to the brim. Okay, so I see 10. तो ये तो last में. Then there's 4 ये बाद में. Oh, there is this. Okay. So this is number 1. I love when you guys like mark the gifts ki ye aise kholo. It's like a story almost, you know, that unfolds. I love the packaging but I'm so sorry, I'm not good at like opening packages. She really packed it really well. Oh, there are notes. So Bangali mane mishti, and how can we not start this mystery box without some muh meetha or mishti mukh? Did you guess it already? Yes. Shondesh आचे की. मुझे क्यों लग रहा है इसमें शॉन्देश है? ऑनेस्टली मैं इतना मीठा नहीं खाती बट मुझे कुछ मिठाइयाँ काफ़ी ज़्यादा पसंद है. कामधेनु स्वीट, आई थिंक ये कुछ स्पेशल होगा, लाइक कोलकाता में स्पेशल होगा. माई मॉम इज गोइंग टू लव दिस. खराब हो गया है क्या? ओह नो, आई हैव अ फीलिंग कि ये खराब हो गया है. ओह शिट. सो देयर आर लॉट ऑफ स्वीट्स बट आई थिंक ये खराब हो गया है बिकॉज आई ओपन दिस लेट. आई डेंट नो इसमें मिठाइयाँ है. आई थॉट कि कुछ ड्राई चीज़ होगी खाने के लिए. अगर मुझे पता होता इसमें मिठाइयाँ है मैं इसको पहले ही खोल लेती, लाइक पहले खोल के एटलीस्ट मैं खा लेती इसको. बट आई एम सो सॉरी, यू सेंड दिस विद सो मच लव एंड बट आई रियली अप्रिशिएट द जेस्चर. एंड यहाँ पे सिया पार्क है तो वहाँ पे जाके मैं डेफिनेटली कुछ स्वीट खाऊंगी एंड आई विल डेफिनेटली थिंक ऑफ यू व्हेन आई डू दैट. बट या, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दिस. आई एम गोना टेक्स्ट हर राइट नाउ ओनली. ओके, इट्स ओके, वी हैव अ लॉट टू लुक फॉरवर्ड टू एज वेल. लेट्स गो टू number 2. Okay, so it says something which will be close to your heart and protect you from all evil eyes. Can you guess it? Jewelry. It is jewelry. So beautifully packed. It is from shoptay.in. Look at that, you guys. It has evil eye and yes, a pendant type का है. It is so pretty. She definitely knows my style. Oh, it's of really good quality also. How does that look? I think it looks so nice. Thank you so much. I love it. Like seriously. But ये अरे इसमें एक और है. I am not even kidding you. कल ही मैं H&M and Zara पे ऐसे heart earrings देख रही थी and I was like maybe I should get one. What are the odds? This is so crazy. Very sweet. I love this, Anindita. Thank you. Okay, so gift number 3 is right here and it says Pujo means pandal hopping, and to keep your energy high for the whole day, you definitely need this. By the way, this is my fave too. Can you guess? I really can't guess. Ki acha down this. It's an Amazon package. She sent me instant coffee. So this is the instant coffee that she sent. And this is the signature instant coffee and it's by VS Money and Co. मैंने कभी ये try नहीं किया. More or less the same way only, but if there is a special way to try this, let me know. I've never tried this coffee brand and you guys know how much I love coffee, so I'm super excited for this. Okay, so this is number 4 and it says yes, I have something for your studio as well. I hope this gives you a little Pujo vibe. ओके और भी पैकेजिंग है. ये तो मुझे दुर्गा माँ की ऐसा क्यों लग रहा है मुझे इसमें माँ है. ओह माय गॉड यू गाइस, दिस इज सो स्वीट. आई लव इट. ऑनेस्टली मैंने ऐसा कुछ यहाँ पे नहीं देखा है and it is so pretty. Duga. Moving on, this is number 5 and this says now this is something which will give you that Bengali Shundori Komala vibe. You are anyway Shundori. Can you guess this? I think it's a sari. I have a good feeling that it's a typical वो जो हमारा red पाला शादी होता है ना वो होगा इसमें. This is literally the best festive mystery box video. It is a sari. Okay, so this is from Shibani. Oh my god. This is not what I was expecting. Anindita, what the hell? This girl. She sent me a black sari, you guys. Black and red. You're joking. Shotti Vishon Shundor. ये कितना सुंदर लगेगा. I'm definitely wearing a sari on Pujo. There's literally no other way. I'm gonna wear this for sure. I think it looks so nice. Black and red and even like the little detailing. You really know my style so well. Like it's minimal but it's like perfect. I might just start crying at any moment, so don't mind me. I just get overwhelmed by such gestures, especially when it comes from you guys. It just means so much to me. Number 6, something to flaunt your Indian Bengali Shundori look for Pujo. Obviously, do you know what to guess or quickly open it? I hope you like it. I am going to love it, Anindita. मुझे तो सब कुछ इतना ज़्यादा पसंद आ रहा है. यहाँ पे मैं रोने वाली हो रही हूँ. She sent me this beautiful necklace with earrings, a handcuff, more earrings, and these are fishies, you guys. Look at that, fishies, and a ring. Like these are all like oxidized jewelry. मेरे पास ऐसी कोई भी jewelry नहीं है, like for real. And she literally made a full look for me so that I can wear it on Pujo. I'm definitely flaunting it. एक तो इतना सुंदर और मेरे outfit के साथ perfect. Okay, so here is the 7th one. I can't believe we are on number 7 already. I think I just like breezed through this, but I am enjoying myself. First, let's read it. Sorry, I'm shaking right now. Wait. Don't worry. There is something for your Western outfits too. So open it. You have guessed it already. hoops hai. Earrings. I know these are earrings only. Oh, these are so different. कितना bright gold भी है ना. Like I have nothing like these. Like very abstract earrings. And the second one. Oh, my mom is going to love this one. Yep. Anindita, please let me know ये कहाँ से लिया. अगर local market से लिया then I'm sorry, but I think ये online अगर लिया है then I will link them. Oh, these will look very very pretty with Indian outfits. I know you send these for Western outfits, but this one I'm definitely going to wear with my Indian outfits. Bishon Shundor eta. Okay, we are on number 8. I don't want this video to end. No. Number 8, right here. Don't worry, I haven't forgotten about your Bengali look. Want you to create my favorite Ashtami look. Can you guess what is inside? Blouse? कि पर्स है. Okay, I was wrong. ये ना ब्लाउज है ना पर्स है, इसमें कुछ और है. Oh, she gave me makeup. A Mars lip color. This will actually go perfectly with my sari because she is also a beauty influencer now, so she knows what will go with what, and it shows. Stop it. Stop this madness. She sent me a Kolkata Pujo special Mars palette. The thought that's been put in this mystery box, like when I told her that I want this mystery box to really just like reflect Kolkata and you know things that I have not experienced because I've not been to Kolkata yet, and she was just like, you know what dude, just trust me, and I was just like, you know what, I trust you, and she has just like surpassed all my expectations with this mystery box. Face, eyes, Rasgulla, Jhalmuri, Puchka, Pujo. ओहो 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 ओहो. एंड आई थिंक यहाँ पे डिजाइन में भी हावड़ा ब्रिज है. City of Joy. Mars definitely did not play with the packaging. They did a very good job. Okay, we are on number 9 already. Only 2 more to go. Something for you to carry your essentials during pandal hopping. Guess करो. ये बैग है. For sure. Bag. इतनी भी गलत नहीं हो सकती मैं. But it's a very different bag. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god, look at that. I have nothing like this and I love the shape. So basically ये आप ऐसे shoulder bag की तरह ले सकते हो, and then you can also make it into a sling, and the print and everything, it's so pretty. And अभी actually मैं एक vacation पे जाने वाली हूँ, so I can also use this for my vacation. It is perfect. This is the epitome of like Bengali bags. Like किसी भी पंडाल में जाओगे ना तो वहाँ पे बहुत ऐसे ना exhibitions वगैरह होती है, and you will find designs like this. This is very like very Bengali, very Kolkata. So I love it actually. इसमें भी कितना सामान आ जाएगा. पीछे भी छोटा सा zip है. You are going to see me very soon with this bag. We are on the 10th gift already, and then we have one special gift. So this says, and to end your day, you need to be comfy, right? Something to keep you easy, breezy after your long day pandal hopping. Guess करो. T-shirt या किचू? कुर्ता? T-shirt, कुर्ता. मैंने किचू easy breezy पॉडर दोनों. See, such a pretty kurta. Are you kidding me? ये मैं घर में नहीं पहन सकती. घर में पहन के तो ये वेस्ट हो जाएगा, तो मैं बाहर पहनूंगी. It is too pretty to be worn just inside. Definitely going to wear this on my vacation as well. इसके अंदर sleeves भी है. Nothing like it. इसमें मैं पक्का sleeves लगा लूंगी. I love this. Thank you. Okay, so the last gift is right here. It says a little something for you. This is a small token of love from me to you. I hope you like this gift. Anindita. I feel like there's a pit in my stomach, you know that feeling, because I feel so overwhelmed, overjoyed, and I feel so loved and very touched. Okay, so she hand painted this. It's me with a raccoon. It's perfect. It's literally perfect. I mean, ये room में रखबो, हमारे background में रखबो. You're so talented. Like मेरे में तो ऐसी skills नहीं. I can't paint all of this. The raccoon is so perfect. This is a raccoon from Bangkok, the one I met, right? This is perfect. I love it. I'm so overwhelmed in the best way possible, and I'm literally on cloud 9 right now, and I am so blessed to have a community with people like Anindita in it, जो इतने thoughtful है, जो मुझे इतना अच्छे से जानते हैं, like to my core they know, okay, this is Anindita, this is what she'll like, or maybe we should add this. Like, this is all that I've ever wanted, and I feel so grateful, so loved. Thank you so much, and this was absolutely perfect, and I really hope that I bring even like 1% of the happiness that you guys bring in my life. And seriously, thank you so much. This is like the perfect video for the festive puja season, and I wanted to do like different videos for the festive season, not just like your typical outfits and all of that, wo to aata hi rahega, but I also wanted to do like something like this that I've been meaning to do for years, and I finally did it, and it all paid off in the end. Like, it was worth the wait. Anindita, I love you so much. Like, infinite nose kisses to you. You did an extremely good job. Thank you for doing this mystery box with me, and let me know कि कौन सा city मुझे next करना चाहिए. I definitely want to include more people in this mystery box and make this a whole thing. I feel like this really brings us closer, and yeah, thank you so much. You made my day. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this mystery box, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.